is your first day of your training. Okay, so don't worry about your knowledge regarding Selenium for the thing I will say.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, don't worry. We will cover each and every topic in a systematic manner.
Yeah.
We will learn C sharp. Okay, we will
Mm-hmm.
learn Selenium and cover each and every aspect of Selenium.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now to learn Selenium, we have got three phases. First is learn C sharp,
Yeah.
in which we learn only C sharp.
Yeah.
Okay, then we have Selenium, and then in the end, we will make some framework, or you can say project. Okay, mm, now in order to learn Selenium, you must have a knowledge of your WebDriver, grid, and unit, and lots of other things. I will
Mm-hmm.
say there are lots of other things, grid and unit, WebDriver. Okay, so don't think that you can't do it. Everyone can do it. Even the manual testers have done with me. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now how to build end-to-end frameworks. There are various types of frameworks available to us. Okay, but we will go slowly and slowly. But before actually jump onto the training, let us discuss some of the question that everyone asks to me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now say what is Selenium? Okay, suppose if I'm taking interview of yours and I say if you have any knowledge, then answer it. Otherwise, no, nothing to worry.
Uh,
What is Selenium?
it's a automation tool,
Mm-hmm.
where we can use it for you know for automating the scripts and like regression, preparing the regression shoots to
Okay.
speed up the execution of the tests.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, um,
Okay, just we will
yeah,
go to your official website that is selenium.dev.
yeah,
Okay, and Selenium automates browser. That's it.
yeah.
It automates the browser. And
Okay,
my next question for you,
yeah.
can I use Selenium for desktop application?
Sorry. What's the
Can I
question?
use
Uh-huh.
can I use
Uh-huh.
Selenium
Uh-huh.
for
Uh-huh.
automating desktop application?
Desktop applications. Um, I'm not sure.
It is not at all used for automating the desktop application.
Okay. Okay.
Not at all. Only for browsers. It
Okay.
automates browsers. That's
Mhm.
it.
Okay.
Okay. So as far as browsers are concerned, it supports all the browsers, whether it is Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Explorer, Edge, any browser. It
Mhm.
supports all the browser.
Yeah.
Okay. As a
Yeah.
tester, you must have a knowledge of any programming language.
Mhm.
Okay. Any programming language to learn Selenium. In
Mhm.
our case, it is C sharp.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have seen the structure, I think so, from our website that these are the course details. We will,
Mhm. Yeah.
these are the introduction, loops, array, object, till this part.
Mhm.
All are C sharp basics,
Okay.
and it is more than enough.
Okay.
We are not going into 2D, we are not going for the developing thing.
Mhm.
We are testers.
Yeah.
Okay, so the thing here, it is more than enough.
Mhm.
Okay, and I will simply say that the Selenium training will give you an overview about all the topics which are required in order to learn Selenium.
Mhm.
Okay, now suppose you have enrolled to us. Now, this is the class one. Okay, so after maybe 1 month or maybe 2 months, you will watch the recording of first class or second class or any other class. Okay,
Mhm.
so you will get this button here in your login. Okay,
Mhm.
batch recordings are there and these are the classes.
Mhm.
Okay, you can watch and I will just request you or even I will request to all my students. Now, if you enroll for the suppose course, now just maintain this Excel sheet. What
Mhm.
did you say? Say day, say topics covered,
mhm,
and important points.
mhm,
Okay. Now, why I'm doing this? Suppose we have one, second, third, fourth, now five, then sixth class is there. Okay, suppose you have covered inheritance topic in s- fifth class. Now, after 1 week, or maybe 1 month, or maybe 3 months, now you want to say, I have covered a topic. At which time I will cover the topic? If you don't have this, you will have to watch each day video.
mhm,
Okay, so okay, inheritance on the day number 5. Okay, just go to login, go to my batch recording. Okay, day 5. Okay, I will watch this video.
okay.
Okay, and other thing is that the important points. Suppose you are going for the interview. I know that when we go for the interview, the experienced one will ask the questions like basic things. You
Mhm,
have done the inheritance, you have things like this. Okay, so you will just go through these points, and it will be easy for you to remember all the things.
mhm,
Okay, I have done this thing. Okay, this is intent. Okay, this is the important points. Okay,
yeah.
so uh, the thing I will tell to all my students. Okay, now coming back to our question part, that will you cover some live projects and frameworks? Okay, now while live project is basically a framework, and we will cover one of the frameworks in the coming training. It will be an end-to-end implementation on a live application. You will know how to generate reports, how to email the reports, how to add screenshots, okay, how to run test cases. Everything will be covered. Okay, so now I want to use Selenium in my project. Can you help? Yes, I will help you. We have a team here. Even after the training, I'm not that kind of person that you are. Okay, if I'm available,
Mhm,
we we are available, then we can have a small meeting, and I can look for the errors, or you want to ask something, then I will be available.
thank you.
Okay, okay. Then next question: how much C sharp required? It's everybody's question that how much C sharp is required. I have
Yeah,
already
even my
told.
question. Yeah,
I have already shown you to you that
yeah.
till this module, string classes and function, it is more than enough.
Mhm,
Okay, most of the students that are coming to me are from manual background.
mhm,
Okay, they want to learn Selenium with C sharp, or Selenium with Java, or Selenium with Python. So don't worry about your knowledge regarding Selenium or regarding C sharp.
mhm.
Okay, so we will cover all the aspects. Okay.
And will this knowledge help me
Mhm.
to build pipeline as well in case if required?
Mm, the thing is that, uh, first of all, I will answer this question now. If you know anything about OOPS, object-oriented programming structure, anything,
No.
okay. So basically, what is OOPS? OOPS is a concept. It's a
Okay.
ideology.
Mhm,
Somebody has given the idea of thing. What is that thing? That is thing known as object, and that is the reusability,
mhm,
and your thing like so okay, uh, thing like that if you do follow the rules of OOPS concept, object
mhm.
oriented programming structure, then your project is definitely a good one. No doubt about that. So anything you know about ISO? Anything?
Standards, yeah, ISO
Yeah,
standards.
standards.
Yeah, I know that.
International Standards Organization.
Yeah,
Being as
I
a
know.
tester, okay. Now what they say, they doesn't bother about what is the thing you are making. They are bothered about what are the steps you are following. They have their guidelines. If you follow their steps, the product will be definitely a good one. They are not bothered about the product. They are bothered about the steps you are following.
Mhm,
Because they say if you follow the steps which they have told you, then the product will be definitely a good one.
mhm.
So the thing is over the object oriented programming structure.
Mhm.
Oops. If you
Mhm.
follow this concept,
Mhm.
your end result, end project will be a good one. Now, if I say concepts of Java, concepts of Python, concepts of C Sharp, concepts of PHP, concept is same, the but the difference is of syntax. Syntax is different, but the concept remains the same.
Mhm.
If I'm going to inheriting the class, then in Java I'm going to inheriting, in C Sharp I'm going to inheriting, in PHP I'm going to inheriting. The way of doing is different, but
Mhm.
the thing is same.
Mhm.
Okay, and if your basics for one language got cleared,
Mhm.
you can kept me in writing that you can do any language.
Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
so say, okay. So uh, let's take. I want to learn Selenium and clear interviews. Okay, well, to learn Selenium, it requires 2 weeks of time. But if you want to learn professionally and build a project by yourself, it will take around 6 to 8 weeks.
Mhm.
It takes times, and after full course, you will learn Selenium, but it will take time. We
Mhm.
will give you lots of, you say, practice exercises. I will definitely give you a practice exercise for C sharp and Selenium that is going to help you a lot for learning C sharp. Okay,
Mhm.
now, next question. How tough is Selenium? It is very, very easy. But again, I'm saying it requires time. You
Mhm.
planted a plant today and also you want fruit same day. It can't be done.
Yeah.
Okay, now next question, everybody. How much time required to learn Selenium C sharp? I already told you that it will take time in order to have a brief knowledge of Selenium to clear
Mhm.
interviews.
Yeah.
The same way this picture shows that it will take time. Okay, so be patient and just be parallel with me. Whatever the
Mhm.
questions you have, just ask me anytime.
Yeah.
Okay, I will clear your knowledge
Yeah.
about this. But you have to ask me, you have to study it and ask the questions.
Mhm.
Okay, now I'm not going to go for this question because you don't know what is n unit. Okay, so I'm not going into this.
Yeah.
I will, when the topic start, I will just explain you
Yeah.
that what is n unit and why n unit is
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Okay, now coming back to say, so IDE. So anything you know about IDE?
It's the framework or method of Selenium we are using, right? With like web browser.
In in simple language, it's a full form integrated development. It's a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers or
Mhm.
testers for their writing the code.
Mhm.
Okay, basically, if we going to write a code somewhere, it has to be somewhere. I cannot write in the notepad.
Mhm.
It has to be some software, some environment. Okay,
Yeah.
so for our C sharp, we will use
Yeah.
Visual Studio. Okay,
Yeah.
now go to Google and say install Visual Studio 2022. This is the latest one. We are going for the latest one.
Mhm.
Okay, here,
Mhm. Mhm.
this is their official website.
Yeah.
Go to there and don't go for this one. Go for community version.
Mhm.
And it is more than enough for the testers.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah.
this version is free of cost.
Mhm.
Other versions are not, but these versions are free of cost. Just click
Mhm.
on this, okay, and install the things.
Mhm.
Okay, now I'm not going to do it because I have already in my system.
Mhm. Yeah.
So this is how your Visual Studio looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I will start with the console application, starting with the basics. The
Mm-hmm.
basic thing like console app, and you see the C sharp, Windows console.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, console. Okay, click on next and name it as any. Say I will name it as the first console app, 22 July. Okay, and you are from UK. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this will remember me and remember for you as well. Okay, we have started on this one, and UK. Okay, this is your project. Click on next.
Mm-hmm.
Then you don't have to do anything here. Just
Mm-hmm.
click on create.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is your first look of your console application. Okay, here
Mm-hmm.
you say convert to program.main, and here is the solution explorer window. This is your by default file which is going to make on every console application program.cs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, what is this static? What is this uh, internal class private thing? So I will not going to discuss this now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We are going for the basic thing. Let's start with the basic. That
Yeah.
okay. This is a first look of your you can say Visual Studio project.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And say mm, okay, so we have our class. Okay, now I can make this, and if you see that it says .cs. cs means .cs means extension of this file, and
Mm-hmm.
cs is clearly saying C sharp.
Yeah.
Okay, it is clearly saying C sharp.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we don't have to say that and that what this .cs represents. So cs means C sharp.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now Uh, I can add one more class here, just like right click on my project name. This is my project name, right click and here add new item and click on class and give my class name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and I can add as many classes as I want. Okay. And the thing is that class name does not contain space. Okay, you cannot give space. You say that class space one. No, you can't. If I want to suppose add new item class, suppose I will say class space one. Okay, add. You see, it will automatically take underscore.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you cannot give space into your class.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now say what this is a basic thing main. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is the first point where your
Mm-hmm.
control comes here for the first time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so in this main method the your control comes for the first time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because if I say suppose here uh, yeah, this suppose if console dot write line say learning C sharp with Selenium. Okay, now
Is this Visual Studio Selenium?
it no. Selenium is a different thing.
Yeah,
Don't
like
confuse in
where
the
can I see the Selenium
because
tool?
we are Selenium. How can I? There are say now if I go for the extensions
Uh-huh.
tools
Mm-hmm.
Nugget Package Manager manage
Yeah.
Nugget packages for solution.
Yeah.
So these are the You have to install, suppose I say Selenium.
Oh, okay, under Visual Studio. Okay, yeah.
Okay. So these are the extensions.
All right. Okay.
Okay. It will get installed into your project.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So these are the things, but we are going for the C sharp basics first. So that's why I'm not going to discuss
Okay.
Selenium right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
That
Okay.
Selenium is a just a extension that
Okay.
first we see that how we can write a code in a way
Hmm.
that let's suppose we are here for clearing the basics of C sharp first, so
Okay.
that we can use it in our project. Because
Okay.
if I do the thing like inheritance, so you will say, okay, what you are doing, you are not able to get it. That's why we are starting with the basics.
Yeah.
That this is an ID. Okay, now suppose if I run this,
Mm-hmm.
we are going for the console application. So the console will open, and if you see which I have right, learning C sharp with Selenium, this thing,
Mm-hmm.
and you can see it over here.
Yeah.
Okay, and you see that the most of thing it is to remove these things, just write console dot read key. Okay, now if I run this again, you see the things which it is not coming.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so there is one more thing. The thing which I'm going told you tell you that are the things that are being asked in the interview. And if you have the knowledge, suppose if you're working with someone and
Mm-hmm.
if you have the knowledge, then it will be good for you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Now it says console dot write, and if I say suppose console dot one more thing, right? One can ask you that what is difference between these two, console dot write and console dot write line. Okay. So just a minute, console dot write. Okay. Now I say uh, checking. Okay. Now I will just run this again.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can't tell the difference right now. So what is the difference between these two? Now
Yeah.
suppose what will
Yeah.
I do? I will just copy this line and paste it over here
Mm-hmm.
and say uh, simple word selenium.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now if I run this again, now you see
Ah, okay.
selenium is on the same line as the word checking.
Okay. So we are
So
giving one line there. Yeah.
right line will take the whole line.
Okay.
You see, right line will take whole line, but right will take only that space that is used. Only that space. If I suppose, if I just remove this space
Mm-hmm.
and run it again,
Mm-hmm.
now you see there is no space.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so right will take only that space that is being used,
Okay.
and right line will take all the space that is coming after the it. See, it take all the space. It is
Uh-huh.
not going for the backspace, but it will take all the space front.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is difference between right line and right. Okay,
Okay.
now
Yeah.
we can apply, can say breakpoints. Now, what is breakpoint? Now, suppose if you see, suppose if I want to see that what is happening at each line. Now, if I run it, now you see code will stop here. Code will stop here,
Mm-hmm.
and you can just apply. I think so. The mm, I think so. F10. Yeah, F10 will go for line by line. You can check each and every line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, F10. Or if you press F5, the whole code run on in one go, or it will stop until the next breakpoint. If I stop it and do it again. Now here, if I press F5, it will stop to the next breakpoint or go for the whole code if there is no breakpoint. Okay, so you can see the execution. Now, sometimes what happens, you have so many lines of code and you are not getting that where the error is coming from.
Mm-hmm.
So you can apply as many breakpoints as you want and check your code line by line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is known as breakpoint or it is known as debugging the program. You can
Okay.
debug your program, debug your code. Okay, that you are not getting that where the error is coming from. Just go with the breakpoints and see each and line. How
Mm-hmm.
each line you can see. Now suppose I say int a. Now these are called data types. Data types means suppose if I want to give something the value as 10. So I can I have to declare that variable. Now int is a data type, a is a variable, and I'm giving the value as 10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so int is a data type. Now say int b equal to 20. Okay, then
Mm-hmm.
I say int c equal to 30.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I say int d equal to a plus b.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I will say d equal to d plus c. Now, in the end, I will just want to see that what is the value of d. Okay, and it has to be right in the end. Now, I will apply breakpoint over here. Okay, now, can you tell me what is the value of d?
It'll be like D plus C, which is 30 plus 30, 60.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, now, what I'm now debugging the problem. Now, so if I press F10,
Yeah.
now what is the value of a? 10.
10.
Okay, now here B is 20,
Yeah.
C is 30. Now, if I press one more time, now D is 0 right now. Right now, D is 0 because I have not passed the line to next line. When I say
Uh,
now D is 30,
mm-hmm.
okay, A plus B, which is 10 plus 20. Okay,
Yeah.
D equal to D plus C, and
Yeah.
say D is 30 plus C 30. Okay, now if I go over here,
Mm-hmm.
60. So you
Yeah.
was right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is the power of debugging. You can
Okay.
see at each line what is your code,
Mm-hmm.
what is the thing. Suppose you are getting error at somewhere here or somewhere here. Now you know after debugging this line is okay, this line is okay, this line is okay. Okay, my error is at this line only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now it can be suppose here I say if my code is so much big. Okay, now here if I just run it, I know it will give me error. So suppose there is no breakpoint. Okay, you will getting the zero. This is the simplest error that attempting to divide by zero.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes what happens error the you can't find the error that at which line you are getting the error. So debugging will solve your problem there.
Mm-hmm.
You can find that by applying breakpoints to each line
Mm-hmm.
that where your error is coming. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now so I will just say if I'm talking about conditional operators, you know something about conditional operators?
If. Is that the one? If what else?
Uh, Conditional operators are like greater than,
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, yeah,
smaller there,
yeah. I
smaller
know.
than,
Equal
greater
to.
than equal to,
Hmm.
and say
Not equal to. Yeah.
smaller than equal to. So these are conditional operators.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's
Mm-hmm.
discuss some of these things.
Mm-hmm.
Say if, okay, first of all, say int x equal to, say, 100,
Mm-hmm.
say int y equal to 200, and say int z equal to 300.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now say if x is greater than y,
Mm-hmm.
and say and y is greater than z.
Mm-hmm.
That means console dot write line that x is greater. Okay, and if say else, if y is greater than z, that means y is greater.
Mm-hmm.
And if these both statements are wrong, then say z is greater.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now if I run this, so what will it print?
I think Z.
Yes, definitely it will print z, that z is greater. Okay, now this is the and thing, that these both situations has to be true.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what will I do? I will do it like this. Now what will happen?
Okay, okay. So Y is greater, which is the middle one.
Okay, you say y is greater.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Okay, now suppose if I go with this sign, okay, now what will it print?
Okay, greater than Y. What's that sign?
It says or.
Or okay. All right. Okay. X is greater. Okay, fine. Yeah. So X is greater.
So run it.
Let's see.
Yes, x is greater.
Mm.
Why?
We said or.
Yes.
Yeah.
Either of this condition is true.
Yeah.
One
Then
of the
it's
condition is true, then it will enter.
yeah.
Okay, now the question that you have to tell me tomorrow, that
Mm-hmm.
I can apply here
Mm-hmm.
a single and I can apply a double and.
Mm-hmm.
Both are same. But
Mm-hmm.
what is the difference between the two? Single and your double and. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you have to tell me the difference that between
Sorry,
these two.
I don't know the difference.
But okay, you have your day now. You can just search it and
Okay.
tell me tomorrow.
Okay. No worries. Yeah.
Okay, and the same thing, difference between this single, which is or, and
Double line. Okay.
Okay, the
Mm-hmm.
both will work.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to tell me the difference between these two.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we have covered for int a. Now suppose if I go with some decimal part,
Mm-hmm.
suppose I say int g equal to 90.9. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now it will give me an error that you cannot store integer value here. So for this, we have a one more data type known as
Mm-hmm.
double. Double will store the decimal values.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then when we have there is more data type that is known as string. Say string anything. String say j
Mm-hmm.
equal to say hello. Okay. And I say string k equal to again say help.
Mm-hmm.
So again, there is one more question. What is the difference between string with capital S and string with small s? Okay, S- you have to tell me difference between string with capital S and
Mm-hmm.
string with small s.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so now you have two questions. It's
Mm-hmm.
the same thing, but yeah, two different questions you have to tell me. Okay, and say so. Think that I'm going in the normal way, or you can say it's fast for you.
No, no, no. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, suppose I will create a new class. This is a new class. I will just first delete this one and I will add a new class. A class, or I can use it this way, or I can go directly to this. Okay. Say, I will say operators. Okay. Add it. Okay. Now, if you see over here, it has main method. Okay. So it's the starting point. So if there is no main method here, I have to introduce main method here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Uh, okay. I will just private static void main string args because code will come here for the first time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now if I say I have a string string x equal to selenium, selenium, okay, and say string y equal to say training, and I have one more variable say int a equal to 100,
Mm-hmm.
say int b equal to 200. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now console dot write line say x plus y. Okay, say console a plus b console dot write line x plus y plus a plus b, and the same thing console dot write a plus b plus x plus y. Okay, now tell me what are the results of these lines?
I'm expecting like Selenium Training 300.
Okay, this x plus y is this one. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
what is the result of this one?
Selenium Training.
Okay, Okay, next one.
300.
Okay, now.
Oh, okay, this one, Selenium Training,
Mm-hmm.
300.
Okay, and for the next one,
It is 300 Selenium
three hundred selenium
training.
training. Okay, so let's run this.
Yeah.
But if suppose if I run this, it will give me error. It says,
Mhm.
and no, program has more than one entry point because this is main and this class is always has main method. So it will confuse it at which class it has to go. So
Okay.
for this, we have
Mhm.
a thing like we have project, right click, properties, and here you have startup object. Okay,
Mhm.
now this is the thing this is my program class. Now this is, I have made my class.
Mhm.
Okay, just here
Mhm.
and close it and run it again.
Mhm.
Okay, run it again. Okay, now first one cylinder training. Okay, now a plus b 300. Okay, now third is x plus y a plus b, but it just
100,
say
200. Okay.
why.
Okay. Because it started with letters.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's not considering them as integers. It's just considered
Yes,
as text.
yes. When it says x plus y,
Yeah.
it says string training. When it wants to add with this one, this is integer, this is string. When I want to add string with integer,
Mhm.
integer will automatically act as a string.
Okay. Okay. Mhm.
If it is there was a decimal there, then it
Mhm.
will automatically act as a decimal.
Okay.
Suppose I have one more data type. Suppose I have
Mhm.
uh, bool. Bool C equal to true. Bool means either it has been true, either it is false. Either
Mhm.
it can be true or it can be false. Now suppose I say
Okay.
x plus y
Mhm.
and what to add with C. C.
Mhm.
Okay. Now see what it will give us.
You don't have C at all.
Okay. Yeah. You see, Selenium training true.
Mhm.
Okay. So anything which wants to add with string,
Mhm.
that thing will automatically act as a string, whether
Mhm.
it is bool, any data type.
Mhm.
Any data type which wants to add with merge with string, that particular item will automatically act as a string.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, that's why it says 300, then say selenium training 100, 200. Just
Mhm.
do it here again. See, selenium training 100, because this 100, this 100 is integer and this whole thing is string. So this
Mhm.
100 will automatically act as a string.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, so that's why. Now suppose, okay, now when I say uh, int, say, I just delete this, and delete this too. Now when I say int a equal to 10, what this, what this mean?
Okay. Like integer A is equal to 10 value,
Hmm.
B equal to 20.
Yeah, but what this line means, int a equal to 10.
It says that 10 is an integer assigned to variable A.
Okay, assigned to variable a. Now when I say int a equal to 10, okay, now
Mhm.
there is a space this 10 will take. It, the 10 will create a space.
Mhm.
10 is stored here.
Mm-hmm.
and it is type of integer, and A is representing that memory location. Int A equal 10 means 10 will create some space. It will take some space of my memory and it is stored there. And
Mm-hmm.
A is pointing towards that stored memory location. That is
Mm-hmm.
known as A equal to 10. A is not here in the memory.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
A is representing that particular memory location, which
Mm-hmm.
is of type integer.
Okay.
Okay, now come back to here. Say I say print, sorry, uh, that yeah, console dot write line
Mm-hmm.
and say A A. Okay, say plus B plus B plus C equal to this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what will do? It will just give me the value that A is 10. Okay, that A is 10, B is 20, and C is 30. Oh, so
Mm-hmm.
these are the values A, B, C. They have their values. Okay. Now whatever I do, I say A equal to B and B equal to C and C equal to A.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now after that, what will be the value of A and B and C? Tell me.
Mm-hmm. Equal to B and B equal to C, C equal to A. A,
A will be, what is the value of A?
like A, B, C are equal.
It just tell me that what will be the value of A if you
So
see.
under the okay, what will be the value of A?
Yeah.
Um, don't know.
Okay, now if I just take it programmatically,
Uh-huh.
say this is a three memory location,
Mm-hmm.
10, 20,
Mm-hmm.
and the third memory location that is 30.
I
Okay.
think 30.
Okay, so let's say A is 10, B is 20,
Mm-hmm.
and C is 30. Okay, so A is representing this memory location, B
Mm-hmm.
is representing this memory location, and
Mm-hmm.
C is representing this memory location.
Yeah.
Okay, and I have asked you that what will the value of A after this. So what's your answer?
I 30.
A, suppose if I here, you are saying that A is 30.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then what will the value of B?
What will be the value of B? I think 30.
Okay, 30 again. And what will the value of C?
C is also 30.
Okay, C is also 30, you are saying.
Yeah.
Okay, let's run this and see. Uh, okay, now A is 20, B is
Ah,
30, and C is 20. So what
okay.
happened? So now,
A has taken value of B.
just see.
Yeah, A has
Now
taken value of B,
A
and
has,
B has taken value of C,
mhm,
and C has taken value of A, where
yes,
A is already assigned as B, which is 20.
Now what happens if I just want to show you here? Now A is 10. Now when the first point occurs, A equal to 10, when say A equal to B, now what will it do? It will stop referencing towards here, and
Mm-hmm.
it will start referencing where B is referencing.
Mm-hmm.
B is referencing towards 20, so
Mm-hmm.
it will start referencing towards here.
Mm-hmm.
Now in the second point, when say B equal to C,
Mm-hmm.
now B will stop referencing towards 20 and start referencing where C is referencing. C is referencing towards 30.
Mm-hmm.
And when the last step is converted, C equal to A. Now C will stop referencing towards 30 and it will start referencing where A is referencing. Now where A is referencing? A is referencing towards 20 because it is stop referencing towards 10. That's why C becomes 20.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. A 20
Mm-hmm.
and C 20
Yeah.
and B 30. This is
Mm-hmm.
the concept
Mm-hmm.
that A equal to B, B equal to C, C equal to A.
Yeah.
So this is how you can explain this concept that A will stop referencing towards A then and it starts referencing where B is referencing in the first line of code,
Mm-hmm.
this line.
Yeah.
And B equal to C, then B will stop referencing towards where it is referencing and it is starts referencing where C is referencing. C is referencing towards 30.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and C equal to A. C will stop referencing towards 30 and it starts referencing where A is referencing now. And
Mm-hmm.
where A is referencing now, A is referencing towards 20.
Yeah.
That's why A and C is 20 and B is 30.
Yeah.
And
Mm-hmm.
this memory location will delete from the memory.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this is how your can say A equal to B and B equal to C and C equal to A works.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you have to be very careful when you are doing the arithmetic operations.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now till now, everything that we have discussed so
Mm-hmm.
far is present in every programming language, whether it is C Sharp, PHP, Java, or Python. The concept remains the same
Yeah.
for every programming language. That you how do you declare the variable? Just difference of syntax. Now, if I
Mm-hmm.
talk about the Python, you don't have to write anything. It will just you say a equal to 10 here, just write a equal to 10. It will automatically understand that a is integer. Okay, and Java you have to declare again. Okay,
Okay.
so the thing is that there is a difference of you can say syntax, but the concept remains the same. If I do go over there and write this same program there
Mm-hmm.
with different syntax, but the concept remains the same that A will have the value of 20.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, C will have 20 and B with 30.
Mm-hmm.
Answer will come same. There is
Mm-hmm.
no thing that you can say that okay the answer will be different in different language.
Mm-hmm.
Concept remains the same.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so should I move forward or I hold here?
Yeah, I'm
Depends
okay.
on. Okay. So I move forward.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So next thing,
I have one question.
yes.
So it's a generic question, not
Mm-hmm.
in this specific program.
Mm-hmm.
So, like syntax, how do I improve the syntax or familiarize or comfortable with the syntax? What are the tips or key points?
Tips is like just say no. This is very helpful. Visual Studio is very helpful. Suppose if you if I'm not using suppose C, okay, so it will clearly tell me
Mm-hmm.
that suppose if I'm here and also here. Okay, now you see that it will the very same sign, but it gives me warning. It
Ah,
will
okay.
tell you about the warnings. It will tell you about the errors. So you have to see that what type of error and what type of warnings you are facing. So after
Okay.
that, just okay, you say, well, so okay, this is a warning, so I can just move on. But if it is
Okay.
error, So
Uh-huh.
you have to find, it will provide you the
Mhm.
error mistake, it will provide you the saying that you are using this and you are using that. It will
Oh,
help you.
okay.
Okay, and the syntax thing is like you cannot learn coding.
Okay.
Coding, you coding is, you can say, get to your mind by practicing.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
the more you practice, the more you
Okay.
gain.
Okay.
Okay, now you can go with the say uh, say here, say int d equal to this, int e equal to this, int d is equal to, go for the different things. Now say I will say int d equal to say 40.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then say int e equal to 50.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then int f equal to 60.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now here I will just confuse for confusion. I say a equal to c.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, b equal to e. Okay, c equal to f. Okay, then f equal to b.
Mm-hmm.
Say e equal to say a,
Mm-hmm.
and say d equal to say c.
Mm-hmm.
So now what will the result? What will the a look like in the end?
Okay. What will be the A value? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm, to A. So I think A will be C, which is 30.
Okay, let's run this and say what is the
Yeah.
a value of a.
Yeah.
A is 30. So okay, so why 30? Suppose I will take one more and say uh, maybe D E F again, C equal to say D, and D equal to F. Okay, now what will the value of say C,
Value of
C,
C.
C for cat?
Yeah. Okay. Mm, I'm assuming which is 40.
Okay, let's run this.
Mm-hmm.
C is 60.
Okay.
Now, how will you find this thing? Now, suppose, first of all, I will have to find the value of C.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will look from the back, from the below, not from the
Mm-hmm.
above.
Mm-hmm.
On
Oh, okay.
which my C is here. Okay, C is here. So it is getting the value of D.
D. Okay.
Okay. Again, I will go back to here and check what is the value of D. Okay, I will find in
Yeah.
the first. So D is getting the value of F. Now,
60.
again, I will go back here and check whether where is my F. Okay, F here, F is B. Okay, now again I will go back here and check the value of B. B, 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 E. So
Okay.
E will be the value of A. So this is how. Just if you want to go, just go for this one. It will be very clear. But the more you practice, like, it is very confusing. But if you practice this in your mind,
Mm-hmm.
that okay, this is this value, okay, this is this value, okay, this. So that's your mind got sharpens, and the more uh, apply your brain, the more the thing you can get it. The thing is that
Do
the
you
more. Mhm.
do you mean that it's going to take from bottom value from bottom to top?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
but some I have my logic, somebody has their different logic, somebody will go with this one, that thing that I have told you about the paint thing. Okay, somebody go with this one. But the more practice, now it's a question in the IPS exam, but they have done till this point, or I think to this point. So they say A equal to B, B equal to C, C equal to, and they're just confusing it. So what is the thing? Just go for the paint part. It will just uh, can say stop. It will stop wasting the time because it is welcome. It's even I will get confusion sometimes for this. I cannot. I will also go for this one. But if I have the logic, then I can only go. If you know now, you know the logic. Now you can go with this statement that okay, this is this equal to this equal to this. Okay. So any other question?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay. So I think so. I will hold here. That's for the today. Okay. I
Mm-hmm.
think I hope you find this lecture to be helpful. And
Mm-hmm.
so I think so. You have saying that you have after many days that you are going to learn this. Maybe you have 3 years. After 3 years, you are
Yeah,
going
yeah, yeah,
full.
yeah. That's why I was telling. I would
But
consider me as zero in
no,
programming.
no, no, you have the knowledge. I have checked you. The thing
Okay.
that you have told me here,
Yeah.
nobody will tell me in the first class. One or
Okay.
two students tell, but it's about all about the brain. You have the brain, you can
Mm.
apply the logic, in my opinion.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So now you have the two things you have to tell me.
Mm. Yeah.
String
String
with
is.
capital S and small s. What is the difference between these two?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
this is the thing. Capital and double and you have to give me the example as well.
Mm. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Praveen. So your good name is Pravina.
Pravina. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, Pravina. So mine is Abhijit. So I have told you, I think so. So let's meet tomorrow at the same time and do some coding.
Is it a
Okay.
trial session tomorrow as well?
Yeah, tomorrow
Okay.
is trial as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you find something that not suits you, just you can tell me. I can change my way of teaching.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I hope that I'm very much comfortable for you.
Yeah. I am comfortable with this. So it's the first class. So I
Yeah.
need so far I feel like reasonably okay, and then yeah, I'm feeling to practice as well. So which is good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's meet again tomorrow.
Same time. Yeah. Let me check
Yeah.
if I have any meetings. Just double checking on that.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the reason I asked if it is a trial session because um during date at 3 o'clock I'll try to move this. I have one meeting or 2 o'clock I have a meeting. Is three okay with you? Three, which is like
Th-
3 plus 4, 7. Is that okay with you?
7 p.m. for me.
7 p.m. for you, yeah.
3 p.m. for you.
Then it is like for you it is 7:30. Is that okay?
Half past 7:30.
7:30, and I'll let you know in case if that moves off. If my
Mm-hmm.
meetings sometimes this doesn't happen because I have two
Mm-hmm.
to 2:41 meeting. So
Mm-hmm.
if that doesn't happen, then I'll let you know as soon as possible on that with you,
You
or else
can
we'll continue with the
if
same timing what we did today, like
okay.
2 o'clock. I think yeah, we started at 2. Yeah, two
You can
ten
come. You can come early if you want.
early. Let me check. Provider refinement. I think is 11 to 12 okay with you tomorrow?
11
Means
to
11 means
12.
11 plus 4, which is uh,
3 p.m.
15,
for me.
3 p.m., 3:30 p.m.
Okay, it's okay with me. 3:30 p.m. is okay with me. Mm,
Okay, I think should be okay at that time. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah,
3:30 p.m. Na?
3:30 p.m. Yeah,
Okay. 3:30 is 11 a.m. for no no. It's 3 p.m. for you. 3:30. 3 p.m. I'm just got
3:30,
confused.
3:30 p.m. Indian timing.
Okay, 3:30 p.m. Indian timing.
Indian timing. Yeah.
Okay, so it will be 11 a.m. for you. Okay, that is okay with me.
11 plus 4. Yeah, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15:30. Yeah, 3:30
Mm,
for
3:30
you.
p.m. Okay, it is okay with me. I can go with this.
Yeah,
If you
okay.
I so just tell me I will finalize this time or you will tell me by tomorrow.
I'll tell by tomorrow, Abhijit, if that's okay.
Okay,
Okay, this 11 o'clock is okay.
11 o'clock is okay.
11
Okay,
is okay.
then we will meet at 3:30 p.m. for me and 11 a.m. for you.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay, Sarvina. Then
yeah.
we meet again. Okay,
Okay, thank you,
thank you.
Abhijit. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bye bye.
Yes, bye.